In this review, I'm going to show you how to prepare an espresso with the Delonghi La Specialista Touch, so you can decide whether this is the type of coffee maker that interests you the most. The first thing we need to do is grab the portafilter, which is what you see here, and place this accessory included with the machine, which is a tamping guide. As you can see, it attaches to the portafilter very easily. You just place it on top, turn it slightly, and as you can see, it stays perfectly fitted and secured so it doesn't move. The next step is simply to place the portafilter with the guide under the grinder and press gently inward to start grinding the coffee beans. As you can see, the machine stops automatically. And here you can see the coffee ground very fine, ready to prepare a high-quality espresso. In this case, since I already have the machine configured to my liking, I didn't make any adjustments, but it's worth knowing that this coffee maker allows you to adjust many preparation parameters very easily through its touchscreen. Honestly, I love how many options it offers and how easy they are to adjust. Continuing with our espresso preparation, the next step is tamping the coffee. As you can see, this step is also very well thought out because Delonghi includes this tamping station, which is very convenient. It's also designed to help you avoid mistakes, even if you're a beginner with this type of coffee maker. To tamp the coffee, we'll use this tamper, which has markings on it. These markings indicate whether you used the right amount of ground coffee. When we tamp the coffee and apply pressure, the tamper should align with the OK mark. In this case, as you can see, mine aligns with the OK mark, so we have the correct amount of coffee. As you can see, the coffee is nicely compacted, but if you want, once the tamping guide is removed, you can even finish tamping it a bit more, as you're seeing here. Once we've tamped the coffee, all we need to do is insert it under the brewing group, turning it gently until it's locked in place. And then we just press the espresso button on the screen to start the extraction. As you can see, after a few seconds the coffee begins to flow. And look at that beautiful color and creamy texture. And here it is, our delicious espresso ready to enjoy. That's everything. I hope you found this demonstration helpful and that it helps you decide whether this is the coffee maker you're looking for. I definitely recommend it. Best regards.